In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PDF to Canva and convert it into an editable design. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to bring a PDF from your computer into Canva so it's ready to edit, share, or redesign. Let's keep this simple and clear. Start by heading to the Canva homepage and signing in to your account. If you're already logged in, you'll land on your home dashboard. If not, use your usual login method. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, since file uploads and conversions rely on it. Once you're on the home screen, you have two easy ways to bring in your PDF. The first is to click the Upload button in the top right corner of the page. This is the direct route for bringing files into Canva without opening an editor first. If you don't see Upload or you prefer another path, click Create a Design in the same area and choose Import File. Both options lead to the same place and do the same job. The interface may look slightly different depending on your device, but the result is identical. A file picker window will open. Navigate to the folder on your computer where your PDF is saved, select the PDF you want, and confirm. If you're working with a multi-page document, that's fine. Canva can handle it. For best results, choose the final version of your PDF and avoid password-protected files, as those may not import properly. As soon as you confirm your selection, Canva begins converting the PDF into an editable design. You'll see progress indicators while the upload and conversion happen. This part can take a moment, especially with large or graphics-heavy PDFs, so don't close the tab. Keeping the page open ensures the process completes smoothly. When the conversion finishes, your new design will automatically appear in your recent designs on the Canva homepage. This is your confirmation that the import worked. If you don't see it right away, give the page a brief refresh and look for the thumbnail with the same file name you uploaded. Recent Designs is typically at the top of your home dashboard, making it easy to spot what you just imported. From there, your PDF is now an editable Canva design. Each page becomes a page in your project, and most text, images, and shapes are ready to adjust. If you plan to collaborate or iterate, consider renaming the design so it's easy to find later. And that's all you need to upload a PDF to Canva and have it converted into an editable document ready in your recent designs.